totally forgot about this. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to unbox my Audemars watch that I purchased last year in 2024. So here we go. I got this from the boutique, and then there were a few choices for me, but I think this is the prettiest. This is one of the more special one, so let's unbox this together. It's quite difficult to open this paper box, but I have half opened it, so it's easy for me to unbox. And okay, this is the one that the boutique assistant gave me. And this is the freebie from Audemars, and here goes the watch. Let's take a look at it. I have worn it to death, worn it so many times. Take a look at this. It is the ceramic offshore. Here's how it looks like. And this originally comes with the crocodile strap, and they also gave me this silicone strap. I wore it so many times. This is the more comfortable one compared to the oh no, it's the alligator strap, the black alligator strap originally comes with that. I tried that. I wore it for like one time, but it's kind of stiff, so I changed it to this rubber or maybe silicone strap. Well, what is special about this is the face. It is made of ceramic, and apparently the rest of these portions are all gold. This is gold. I'm contemplating if I should do the connected buckle that looks like this. I think you just need to top up about 11, I think it's 11,000 to get the connected buckle, that gold piece, and then you top up additional for the strap that can complement that gold or connecting buckle. I'm not sure how you call it, but I'm thinking of that. Yeah. So anyhow, this is the watch. It's beautiful, isn't it? I've got quite a few options. The other option I have is the full ceramic with the ceramic bracelet. That one is beautiful too, but I just find that there's some variation to this with the ceramic bezel casing and the strap. It looks a little bit more nicer on me rather than an entire ceramic, so I didn't pick that. And I think there were a few other options for me, like the normal royal oak, but I've already had that. If you haven't watched my unboxing, you can go to my unboxing of the rose gold royal oak.